Hey, y'all, it's Jamie Deen down at the Chicken Box again, and welcome to March in Savannah. This is a St. Patrick's Day recipe. This is a St. Patrick's Day town. This is downtown is about to get bananas and all green. I was speaking with a friend of mine yesterday. This is her 50th year at the parade. She's only missed one in her entire life in the same place, 49 years. A lot of Irish going on here. I like the kissing part, I can tell you that. I also love beer cheese. So today we're going to do a very easy beer cheese recipe. You don't even have to put it in the oven. I've started with Irish cheddar. This is a sharp Irish cheddar cheese. I've got 14 ounces. We're going to be using our Cuisinart today. I don't even know what they're really called. What do they call food processor? I never use them. And I thought Cuisinart was the name of it forever, but it's actually a food processor. I don't use it a whole lot. I was born with two pretty good ones. But for this, we're going to use it. We're going to get our cheese in. I love cheese and beer cheese especially. I didn't have any pretzels or anything ready today, but I do have pita chips that we're going to use. I got 4 ounces of cream cheese, half of a light Irish beer. This is a Harp, so I'm going to pour half of this in. If it were cold, y'all know what I would do with the rest of that. And we need some mustard. This is dry mustard. We're going to go 1 teaspoon and a half. You can tell I don't measure things very often. And then we've got 1 teaspoon of paprika. Give it a little bit of color and also a little bit of flavor. And that's it. We're going to plug this up and we're going to pulse it until it creams up. Hey y'all, I forgot my garlic. And I didn't have any fresh garlic here, so I'm just going to use a little bit of my fine garlic powder. All right, y'all, let's see what's cooking. Ooh, look how good that looks. So this is our 200th year parade this year in Savannah. It's a really big deal. So if you come to Savannah, you got to eat something Irish. You got to wear green. Just come on and try our no-cook beer cheese recipe. Whoa. That is good, y'all. Every time Teresa comes down here and I start doing these new recipes, I always have new things for the chicken box. Try this recipe. When you get down to Savannah, come into the chicken box, you might be able to buy something you saw me do out of our core. I'm Jamie Deen. I appreciate the time. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. I'm going to eat this cheese too.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.